In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your air filter on your Toyota Corolla. It's located under the hood on the driver's side. We're going to take these two clips and flip them back, and then we're going to undo it from this bracket here. We're not going to remove any of this. Let's get going. Use a pry bar. Makes it easier. And just unclip them. Now you're going to pick up on the box and pull it up enough just to sneak this out. Make sure there's no nests. Sometimes there's squirrel nests or mice nests in there. Make sure it's clean. And now we're going to install our new one. Pick it up just like you did before. Slide it into place. Make sure it's seated in there well. Make sure this goes through here. And now we're going to slide this in. Push it all the way back. Make sure your clips are out of the way. Push that down and clip it in. You might need your pry bar if it's tough to push over. Make sure it's nice and secure and everything's lined up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.